up in here. So this is a heater. And in Spain, in this part of Spain, Manacor, they don't have heating in their house, you know, like with pipes and stuff. So they need assistance to help them. This is how you use this machine. First, I gotta clean out everything, right? I gotta vacuum all of the dirt to get this baby hot. Yep. I gotta get this baby hot. I'll be right back. And now that this is clean, the fire starts in here. And in this long tube, sometimes they have ashes in here. None is in here now, so it's fine. But come on over here to this baby. This baby needs pellets. So in here are little wood chips that help to start the fire. And in this long tube, sometimes they have ashes in here. None is in here now, so it's fine. But come on over here to this baby. This baby needs pellets. So in here are little wood chips that help to start the fire. So this bag here, you can get work out of it real quick with this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Anyways, you put this just in here. And you gotta fill it up. A little is left. And you move it around here. Make sure that is kind of on good level. Put this inside and let this thing start. Okay, good. Okay, now we turn it on. Control. And this is just getting activated right now. It should get really hot. This is the first phase. The machine is doing something like this for starts. So now you see that the fire is coming up a little bit, and within a couple of minutes it will spark up some flame. Don't mind the dirty glass, but the fire is certainly starting, and it shall be warm in Manacor. Ciao.